guys, so it's blowing a near gale, but we are near day, so I'm after some squid today. So we're fishing a point south of Tumby where it's blowing offshore, so we're going to get the float out for the squid, have a pilchard under the float, so get you posted on anything we catch and hope to get some good squid for bait. Just like that. Those clouds are looking pretty gnarly. Lovely, just what we want. Alright, we're on to our first squid, guys. Feels like a good squid, it's got some weight to it. Just ease them in. Oh yeah, he's a good squid. So you want for bait, guys, big squid. Bigger the squid, the more bait you get. Oh, it's average size, it's not too big. Cooked pretty well. You're kidding me! He got off just there. Oh, he's going to grab it again. He's attacking it right there. He wasn't actually hooked. Oh, he got off again. Now we got him. That was insane. Grabbing you, mate. There we go, guys, good squid. He got off a couple times right there. We didn't spike him, luckily. And yeah, he grabbed it right there, which was good. Or else I wouldn't have been very happy. Right, so get him in the esky and get some more for you. Righto, guys, so I just noticed my float was getting smashed by a small school of salmon, I reckon it was. So I flicked over to the Halco twisty lure and just managed this nice snook. It's probably about 50 centimeters. He smashed it right at my feet, like right at the rock, so must have followed it all the way up and decided to whack it. See that Halco twisty nailed him. Nah, he's off now, but yeah, not a bad fish, good bait anyway. So we'll chuck him in the esky and keep squid fishing, but we'll keep the lure handy in case we see some more salmon. We're on again, guys. That's a better squid. And he's hooked. Squirting the ink. Bird, if that bird eats this squid, I'm gonna roughly the same size. Hopefully this one's hooked. I reckon it is. Yeah, this one is. Yeah, we got this one. Ew! Beautiful calamari. Alrighty, guys. guys, so it was only a quick video today of an afternoon session on the squid. We only managed the 2 unfortunately, lost a couple more, just small ones playing with the float, couldn't quite get a hook in them, but yeah, that's fishing for you, can't catch them all. And you've got that snook, which wasn't too bad, lost a couple salmon and yeah, lost 1 snook, so had a bit of action for you. Really quick vid, so I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you in the next vid. Cheers guys.